Hello YouTube, I've got here a parcel delivered today. It's just under half a kilo and let's see what's inside. It's a bit rattly. I have no idea what's inside. Well, maybe at some point I did know what's inside, but I don't know anymore what's inside now. Well, let's look inside. It looks like a piece of paper here. First, a piece of paper. Interesting. I wonder what it is. Let's look inside. The Jungle Book. Wow, this is amazing. Who remembers these stories? This is our Viewmaster slides, like from the good old times. And you can actually see there. You can see through what's in there. Right, I saw these, I couldn't resist buying these at the same time as buying all the other stuff. So the Jungle Book, it's not really what I expected to be here, but now at least I remember what I bought. What do we have here? This looks like something special. Oh dear, this looks like a 3D printed tower. Two 3D printed towers, and these towers probably have a special purpose, and the special purpose of these towers is in these two boxes. As you can tell, these two boxes here are one is unopened, one is opened. Follow train bridge viaducts. I assume these are the original ones. And let's see inside. There's everything inside. So you have this viaduct, and then you can probably just put this here on the bridge, and you get a beautiful little bridge. That's quite neat. How cute. Right, best I just put everything in here so I don't lose it. It all fits in here. It doesn't. Yeah. Right, what else is in here? Two more things. Two more little packages. Always excited about the small packages because normally they're the most interesting ones. And this is something rather small as compared to this here, which is a bit bigger. That's really very small, and this is bigger. It's very similar. So what is this? This is just a Marklin Z gauge locomotive. Hoppala. Whereas this here looks more like a Trix 260 locomotive with tender. I'm not sure whether they're working or not. We'll find out. And in here, in this parcel, it's very light. It feels more like a coach. And yeah, I was right. There is a passenger coach for Marklin Z gauge. Let's open it up. Let's take it out. It's in very good condition. It's very clean. The wheels are here. Seemed all to spin around. But yeah, just a nice German railway dining car in red. It's nice burgundy red almost. So now the next question is, do these locomotives work? And I will connect them to my DC controller. Obviously I don't have a, take it away from here. I will not apply 11 volts to the Marklin, don't worry. I'll use 11 volt on the tricks. Seems to work very well in both directions. I would call this a successful purchase. It was also not sold as broken, it was just pretty. Now for the Marklin, I'll go down to, let's say, it's about 6 volt. Let's see whether this one also works on 6 volt. Oh, I think this shouldn't. So. The wheels are a bit wobbly. Yeah, so with all the pickup, so certainly you'll have a good pickup with all wheels working. But now let's look at the true little beauty here, and let's zoom in a bit more and see what happens with 6 volt. Works perfectly well. Great. So both directions, doesn't need much doing. I think overall quite a nice purchase. And you can also just compare the difference in gauges. So here the N gauge and here the Z gauge, which is obviously much narrower. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this and thanks for watching.